Hello students, today I am continuing the topic differentiation of implicit function. Earlier we have done two problems and today I am taking problem number 4 from exercise 5.3. The problem is if xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y, then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So now we will do the direct differentiation without expressing this in terms of x or in terms of y. So the derivative of xy is x dy by dx plus y dot 1. This is the product rule. Plus the derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx equals to the derivative of 10x is sec square x plus the derivative of y is dy by dx. So you see the first important step. Again xy x dy by dx plus y dot 1 plus y square is 2y dy by dx equals to 10x sec square x plus y dy by dx. Now in this step we do the filter and we write all the terms having dy by dx this side. So it is x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx, and all the terms which are not having dy by dx we write that side. So it is sec square x minus y, this y I am talking about. So in the next step we take dy by dx common. So when you take dy by dx common, then it is x plus 2y minus 1 equals to sec square x minus y. So what is the value of dy by dx? The value of dy by dx is sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. So this is the value of dy by dx, and that is the importance of implicit function. Now I am taking one more sum in the continuation of this only, and please observe it now. The problem is, the fifth problem it is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equals to 100. You see is equal to 81. The number is 81. It can be any number because the ultimate derivative will be 0. Now you see this problem. Please observe it. Now I am starting with the x cube. So the derivative of x cube is 3x square. And we don't write any dy by dx with this. Now the second term, the product rule, it is x square dy by dx plus y dot, the derivative of x square is 2x. Now I am taking xy square. So it is x 2y dy by dx, that is the product rule, plus y square dot 1. Now look at this step, xy square, x constant and y square is 2y dy by dx plus y square constant and the derivative of x is 1. And the last part is 3y square dy by dx. And what is the derivative of 81 or 100 or 200, whatever, the derivative is g. Now in the next step, we write all the terms having dy by dx this side. So the first term is x square dy by dx. This is the first one. Second is plus 2xy dy by dx plus 3y square dy by dx. These are the three terms having dy by dx. And all the terms which are not having dy by dx with them, we write that side. So the first term is x, I written common minus here. The second term is 2xy, this 2xy. And the third term is y square, this y square. And I written minus here because all the term when it moves that side, it will be negative. Now from all these terms, we will take dy by dx common. So the term will be this x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx equals to minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Please see this step. So what will be the final answer now? What will be the dy by dx? The dy by dx is minus 3x square 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So in this way we find the dy by dx. This is one of the important sum of the derivative of implicit function. Please see the video twice, and I am already sending the image. Please write it down.